You're probably making one of these intro mistakes, and that's the reason a lot of people click off your videos even before you are done saying, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel." Yeah, so let's fix that right now. Hi and welcome. If this is your first time meeting me, I'm Clarissa, and here I help both small and new content creators to grow their channels and get monetized fast by avoiding some mistakes and using some tips and strategies that would help you. So if this sounds like something you want for your channel, I will encourage you to hit the subscribe button right now, and do not forget to give us a big thumbs up on this video. Now let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you something interesting. No, you know why that is wrong? Number one, it is overused. Number two, it doesn't carry any hook at all. Number three, it doesn't even tell your viewers what they are going to get. And do not forget, you also get new viewers on all your videos or almost all your videos. So you want to immediately you are starting, address a pain point. You can do this instead. For example, if you are in the cooking niche, you can start with something like, if your fried rice never looks fluffy, try this particular cooking style. That one already has hooked somebody. Or you can start with something like, I just tried the new iPhone 16 camera and it shocked me. So definitely people who are looking to get an iPhone 16 because of the camera would definitely be interested in watching that, because why? You are addressing a pain point at the beginning of your video. Do you understand? So today I'm just going to talk about something really interesting. No, do not start that way. Do you know why? Number one, it carries low energy. Remember that humans have a short attention span. So immediately they click on your video and they feel like, this energy is too low. Do not forget that you're not the only one creating that particular topic that you are filming. So if they feel like your energy is just putting them off, they're going to click off the video. Or if they feel like you're just too vague, number one, the energy is low. Number two, they don't even understand what you want to say. You're still saying, oh, today we want to talk about something interesting. Like, go straight to the point and tell them, this is the thing we want to talk about. This is why your pancake never comes out well. This is why your videos are always boring. This is, if, or you can say something like, if as a creator you don't get up to 500 views, this is the problem. Or just look for something that would easily captivate them and make them want to stay. Now, this third mistake, viewers don't actually care about your logo. Like, you can save that for a brand deal or something. Of course, I'm not saying you can't put in your logo. You can put in your logo, but let your logo just be something like 5 seconds. And did not come there for that animation. They came there for the value or the info that you already told them, or your thumbnail or your title that they were going to get. What you can do is to first of all start your video with a hook. You might even start with a hook and an open loop. Then when you now do that, you can now put in your brand animation so that people will be able to tell, oh, this is who you are, and then you quickly fire on. Before we start, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends. No, don't do that. We know why. It's just like you are telling people to make commitment even before you've given them value. Let them see exactly why you want them to subscribe, why they should subscribe to your channel. Are you telling them that, oh, if this particular information just helped you, you want to go ahead and hit the subscribe button? Or you tell them something like, oh, if you liked this recipe and you want more like this, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Or you can tell them something like, if you find videos like this interesting, you want to go ahead and subscribe. Or you do it at the beginning. Almost at the beginning, the way I do mine, after I give you the hook first, I then introduce myself and tell you why you should subscribe, like what you'd be getting from this channel. Then I'll tell you to go ahead and subscribe. Anybody who wants that would go ahead to subscribe, instead of you just telling them from the beginning to start to like, share, and subscribe. No, it doesn't work that way. Guys, this particular one will shock you, but I've been seeing a lot of people do it. So they start with, is this camera well balanced? I don't even know if this light is it, guys? Do you think I look okay? For like, why? Why are you not prepared? Why are you? That's why there is a play button there. Adjust everything you want to adjust before you then go ahead and hit play. And then that's why you can also edit out all of those parts before you start talking to the people. Your unpreparedness alone can get people to click off your video. Even if you are looking that, oh guys, do I look good? I know you want to let them know, you want to bond with them, that personal connection, but you can leave that for the middle of the video when they're already feeling you, they're already enjoying your vibe. Don't start with that. Am I correct? Am I wrong? Or have you been doing this? Let me know in the comment section. Um, I don't really know how to start this video, but let me just start and you guys are going to, understand. You figure it out. Don't worry as I continue. Hold it. Hold it. This is not nice because number one, it kills your authority. Number two, it kills your confidence. So it's just like you're not sure of what you want to even tell people, and you want people to still sit down there and take their time and just watch like that. In fact, most times it is only when you've already built for yourself like an audience, you've built a base for yourself, and you know that these people they already love you. That's when you can start a video and you are just doing something else, but they just want to see that thing you are doing. Why? Because you've already built for yourself a base. But if you're just starting out on YouTube as a small creator and nobody knows you, and you're starting your videos like that, you are going to probably get a lot of people click off your video at the first instance. Now this next one, a lot of people do not actually know how to do this, because I see a lot, even YouTube growth coaches, I see a lot of people doing this, and it is not knowing how to summarize your intros. I know you want people to understand exactly what you want them to get on that video, but please, can you try to summarize it so that people can be able to tell that, okay, this is what I'm going to get, and then they can be moved to stay and watch. But a lot of people would come and their intro will be like, today I'm going to, in fact, today's video, if you watch it, it is going to really really help you. In fact, I tried it and it really really helped me. You've not told them, you've not even given them a hint of what that video is about, but you've already talked like 2 minutes 30 seconds on how excited you are about that particular topic. No, it is better you just summarize it. Like, let it be like, even if it's the first 10-15 seconds, summarize that thing so that people will be able to say, okay, let me stay and watch. Unless people are going to be skipping. And do not forget, the more people skip your videos, the more it sends a negative feedback to the algorithm that, oh, there's something about this video that's not nice. And that's the reason, if you go into your YouTube studio, you're going to see that in that retention graph, that audience retention graph, you're going to see dips adhere to this. Summarize your intros. Hey guys, sorry I've not posted in a while. Guys, I've been going through a lot. Like, a lot has been happening in my life. You can't even imagine. No, don't start like that, because you probably have new viewers watching you and they don't even know who you are, let alone knowing about your posting gap. That's the thing. So you want to always sit in front of the camera and address people like, oh, you are getting even new viewers, not just your casual or regular viewers. So there's no need for apologies and all of that. Just start with your video. Then in the middle, you can then tell them, oh, and this is even why I've not been posting for a while. Or you can just, in the comment section, in fact, you can put it in your pinned comment. In fact, in your comment section, some people can, address that, and then you can answer in the comment section, or even in your live streams. Live streams is a place, is where you can, be free to do whatever you want and really, really connect personally with your people. Guys, last week I went to the market, and when I got to the market, I met one woman, and this woman told me something. In fact, when she told me that thing, I was just opening my mouth and I was looking at her that, where do I even know you from? That I know you want to give them something, especially if you are maybe like a lifestyle vlogger and you just want to start by letting people know, oh, something that happened, something interesting that happened. Don't just start like that, especially if you've not built for yourself a base. You want to start with something like, oh, last week I met a complete stranger and he said something to me that changed my mindset. When you say that, already you've hooked people and they'll be like, oh, okay, a complete stranger, that's one. Aside that, the thing the person said changed her own mindset. Do you understand? So people would want to know, oh, what's the thing that person could have said? The person doesn't even know you. Or you can even start with something like, guys, I noticed something interesting about using the CapCut free version. Something that will just make them feel like, oh, okay, this relates to me. If it helps her, definitely it can help me. Hello everyone, my name is Glory, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can make money online. Do you know that when you want to make money online, there are some types of things that you need to take out of your mindset? The psychology, number one, you're not a robot. One thing is, viewers like authenticity. You don't need to sound like you are reading from a book. You can read it, even if you want to read it, internalize it, then you can then speak. So you can sound natural, you can sound conversational, people can easily connect. But if you are reading it like you're reading from a book, like this is how it must be like this, people are going to get bored. That's the thing. It's there won't be that connection. That's like it won't be like you're talking to your friend. Do you understand? So guys, that is it. The reason you even watch this video is because you are growing. Now do not forget, your intro is your first impression, and first impression matters. Do you understand? Aside to your thumbnail. Okay, so if you feel like you need to adjust something, please go ahead and adjust. You can also let us know in the comment section more terrible intros that I didn't mention. Do not forget to watch this particular video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, Sea World. Mwah.